The 22nd meeting of India-Russia Working Group on Military Technical Cooperation and Defense Industry was held in New Delhi. An Indian Navy submarine on its transit along the west coast was hit by a fishing vessel, and the extent of damage will be ascertained once it touches the port. The Rudram 2 anti-radiation missile will secure production clearance by 2026. Subsystems and material delivery for S5 class SSBN has begun. HAL is looking to manufacture AL-31FP engines of Su-30 aircraft entirely in India, including the raw materials. CISF has released a tender for the procurement of 613 units of 9 by 19 mm SMGs with holographic sights and accessories. Paras Defence has inaugurated a state-of-the-art optical systems testing facility in Navi, Mumbai. India and Armenia are in discussions for the sale of HAL-built Dornier 228 transport aircraft. With an investment of 5,000 crore rupees, Mazagan Dock Shipbuilders has announced a massive expansion project aimed at doubling its shipbuilding capacity over the next 4 years. Delhi-based Botlab Dynamics is developing an indigenous nano-drone for Indian Armed Forces. India and Japan discussed on a reciprocal provision of supply and services agreement for greater interoperability between their militaries. Israel Aerospace Industries has introduced an innovative missile named TEASER, which is being hailed as a breakthrough in guided weaponry, as it uses automatic command-to-line-of-sight guidance, and is steered by an operator using an external sight called the TEASER sight, allowing precise guidance up to a range of 2.5 kilometers. It has a flight speed of 200 meters per second, and weighs under 5 pounds, that makes it suitable for shoulder-launched deployment. Israel has expressed intentions to establish partnerships with international manufacturers, especially focusing on India as a strategic production base for both local and export markets. Kalyani Group has unveiled the design for its new 30mm naval gun, that is specifically crafted for smaller warships, that will enhance close-in defense capabilities against fast-moving threats in high-stakes maritime environments. All components of the 30mm gun are fully protected by a stealth shield, and feature a sophisticated ammunition handling system and advanced stabilization mechanism to maintain accuracy on moving vessels, incoming missiles, drones and fast attack craft. The High Energy Materials Research Laboratory has made significant advancements in the development of next-generation explosive reactive armor systems for FRCV program. It has undergone extensive testing and evaluation on a T-72 tank, and it successfully demonstrated reduced penetration of in-service tandem-shaped charge warheads, kinetic energy projectiles and 125mm fin-stabilized armor-piercing discarding sabot ammunition in multiple tests. Today's top 3 comments.
Omar dropped it.